Albert Einstein didn't speak until his age was 4. Albert Einstein didn't read until his age was 7. His teacher said him he was mentally handicapped and he was slow. He later went on to win the Nobel Prize in Physics. Vincent van Gogh was a famous painter. He sold only one painting in his whole lifetime, and that too was sold to his friend. He starved sometimes to make that 800 paintings that he would eventually do in his lifetime. Today, his paintings are priceless. J.K. Rowling was unemployed, divorced, and was raising a daughter out of social security while writing her first Harry Potter novel. Today, J.K. Rowling is internationally renowned for her 7-book Harry Potter series and is the first person in this whole world to become a billionaire from writing. Toastmasters and guests, good evening.
Good evening.
Each and every individual that I spoke about is or was a special person, a very special person. What kept them apart from the rest? Something. This something then was with that particular individual that led them going from one failure to another, from one failure to another, and then one failure to another. This thing separated the men from the boys, the achievers from the failures, the winners from the losers. What was this thing? That thing was a dream. No. I'm not talking about the dream that you see in sleep. I'm talking about the dream that didn't let them sleep. Seconds, minutes, hours, days, nights, weeks, years, and decades of hard work. Focused, dedicated hard work for that one dream. There are millions who dream every day, but it's only few who create those exceptional wonders. What sets them apart? What is the secret to success? No. It's not luck. It's not money. It's not time. Believe me, it's not even hard work. Secret to the success is to visualize, to sacrifice, and to practice. Let's all explore these factors of success in detail. First comes the visualize. What do you want to do or what do you want to become? Just think about that and make that your dream. Dreams are just like compass. They direct your life towards the right path. Many have come and gone, but few have succeeded. Why? That would be the major difference between a winner and a loser. Visualization. Ken Blanchard, in his famous book, The 1 Minute Salesperson, says that before any salesperson, a successful salesperson, before he makes a sale, he visualizes, how will I make the sale? How will I be successful? And that visualization process helps him to make that sale successful. In the book called The Secret, Rhonda Byrne, a very famous author, she says, when you think positively, the whole universal power comes together in helping you make that a dream a reality. Okay, now you all have a dream and you want to work on that. What's next? You sacrifice, the second step. Sacrifice your body, your mind, your heart into that one dream, that big dream. Mahatma Gandhi dedicated his complete life for one noble cause, freedom through non-violence. Mother Teresa dedicated her complete life for just one cause, serving the poor. Warren Buffett did nothing throughout his life except value investing. And today he is the richest person in the world. At least was. When you focus your energy, your confidence, everything into one aspect, you make it so huge, you create magic. Okay, you're ready to visualize what your dream is, what you want to become. You're ready to sacrifice you. What next? Practice. 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 Practice until you become what you want to become. Malcolm Gladwell's book, The Outlines, he says in this particular book a concept called 10,000 hours. He says, if you want to be a subject matter expert at anything, even begging, you will have to practice for a minimum of 10,000 hours. That's the minimum barrier he has set. You can forget to visualize, you can forget to sacrifice, but you cannot forget to practice. Practice is one thing that stays or keeps the winners apart from the losers. Sachin Tendulkar played cricket, practiced cricket, dedicated cricket for more than 12 years before he became the master blaster or the god of cricket. Even Shikhar Dhawan, the very recent find in Indian cricket, had played 184 first-class tests and listed matches and had scored 9,700 plus runs before he made it to his international career. So, practice to excel. The sponsors and guests, life is tough and that's a given. When you stand up, you will be shoved down, and when you are down, you will be stepped down. That's what life is all about. Make sure that you are not stepped down. Sometimes you get pushed, sometimes you fall down, and sometimes you land your face right square on the ground. Get back on your feet, get up as fast as you can, and do this every time that you fall down. Every time that you fall down. Success has been defined as something like this. Success is all about getting up one more time than you been knocked down. That's it. You want to have more than you have now? Prove it. You want to be the best there is? Get out there and earn it. And once you decide that, you will know where you want to be. And then, you will never stop pushing forward until you get there. That's how winners are made. That's all about life, my friends. It's about a dream. You visualize, you sacrifice, and you practice. Nothing much to give. I want you all to be that very special person in your life. I want you to be the list of the people that I will show you. I want you to be one of this. The next time I give a speech, I want one of your faces, one of your names, one of your achievements to be posted on this particular video.